codec is a software or hardware technology that compresses digital media files, including video, audio, and images, to make them smaller and easier to store and transmit. The word codec is short for coder-decoder. When you compress a file, you reduce its size so it takes up less storage space and transfers faster. When you play the file, the codec decompresses it, which means it reverses the compression process so you can watch or listen to the content. Codecs work through two main processes. First is encoding, which happens when you compress the original video or audio data. The codec removes unnecessary information while keeping the important parts to maintain quality. Second is decoding, which happens during playback. The codec reads the compressed file and reconstructs it into a format your media player can understand. This process reverses the encoding steps to recreate the audio or video you hear and see. The main goal is to make file sizes small while keeping acceptable quality. There are two main types of compression. Lossy compression removes some data that your eyes and ears cannot easily detect, making files much smaller. However, once lost, this data cannot be recovered, so you cannot restore the original quality. This is perfect for videos and music where small quality loss is acceptable. Lossless compression preserves all the original data without any loss. The file stays high quality and can be perfectly reconstructed. However, the file size reduction is not as dramatic. This works best for important files, archives, or when perfect quality is essential. Several algorithms power compression technology. Huffman coding uses frequency analysis. It assigns shorter codes to symbols that appear often and longer codes to symbols that appear rarely, making files smaller. Run-length encoding is simple but effective. It compresses sequences of repeated data by storing just one value and how many times it repeats. The LZW algorithm, named after its creators, builds a dictionary of patterns it finds and replaces them with shorter codes, allowing fast decompression. Transform coding uses mathematical transforms to convert data into a form that compresses better. This is commonly used in JPEG images and modern video compression. Video compression is used everywhere. Streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use it to deliver content efficiently. Video conferences use compression to transmit video in real time without needing huge bandwidth. Broadcasting stations use it to send high-quality content over limited channels. Audio compression has many uses too. Music streaming services like Spotify compress songs so they play smoothly on your phone. Podcasts and internet radio use compression to reduce file sizes. Voice communication apps like Skype compress audio so conversations happen in real time. All these applications benefit from compressed content, which reduces storage needs, transfers faster, uses less bandwidth, and enables smooth playback on any device. Different image formats use different compression methods. JPEG uses lossy compression and works great for photographs and complex images with many colors. The quality is very good even though some data is removed. PNG uses lossless compression, perfect for images that need transparency or must maintain perfect quality, like logos or graphics. WebP is Google's modern format that offers better compression than both JPEG and PNG, giving you smaller files with the same quality. AVIF is the newest format available today. It offers the best compression for high-quality images, though it is not yet supported everywhere. Choosing the right format depends on whether you need perfect quality or smaller file size is more important. Compression provides numerous advantages. First, faster loading. Smaller files transfer much quicker over the internet, so videos start playing sooner. Second, storage savings. Codecs dramatically reduce the disk space needed to store media files, allowing you to keep more content on your devices. Third, bandwidth efficiency. Compressed files use far less internet bandwidth, which is crucial for streaming and downloading. Fourth, mobile-friendly. Compression enables smooth playback on phones and tablets with limited processing power and storage. Fifth, quality control. Codecs intelligently balance file size with quality so you get the best experience. Finally, cost reduction. Smaller files mean lower hosting and infrastructure expenses for companies providing media content. H.264, also called a VC, is the most widely used video codec. It provides high-quality video and works on all devices, making it the standard for streaming and video calls. H.265, also called HEVC, is more advanced. It achieves much better compression than H.264, giving you excellent quality at smaller file sizes. It is ideal for 4K video. VP9 is Google's codec used on YouTube. It offers excellent quality and small file sizes without licensing fees, making it a popular open-source option. A V1 is the newest codec with the best compression available. However, devices and platforms do not support it everywhere yet. It represents the future of video compression. MP3 is the most famous audio codec and was the standard for music for many years. It provides good sound quality in small files and works on all devices. AC, which stands for Advanced Audio Codec, is more advanced than MP3. It gives better quality at the same file size and is used by Apple Music and iTunes. FLAC stands for Free Lossless Audio Codec. It compresses audio without losing any quality, meaning you get perfect sound recreation. Audiophiles prefer this, though files are larger. Opus is a modern codec designed for real-time communication. It provides excellent quality at very small file sizes, perfect for voice calls and live streaming where low bandwidth is essential. Video and audio codecs have important differences. Video codecs handle frame sequences, colors, and motion, working with large amounts of data. Audio codecs handle sound frequencies and amplitude. Video compression uses both intraframe techniques, which compress individual frames, and interframe techniques, which use differences between frames to save space. Audio compression uses frequency masking and entropy coding. Video bitrates are measured in megabits per second because files are huge. Audio bitrates are measured in kilobits per second. Video allows higher latency, meaning slight delays are acceptable during buffering. Audio needs low latency for real-time sync in video or voice calls. Popular video codecs include H.264, H.265, VP9, and a V1. Popular audio codecs include MP3, AC, FLAC, and Opus. Understanding these differences helps you choose the right codec for your specific needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.